Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white peach sangria. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 bottle of your favorite dry white wine, such as Pinot Grigio, and 2 to 3 ripe white peaches. Also, have 1/4 cup of peach brandy or liqueur, and 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice on hand. A little sparkling water or club soda will be perfect for serving. Now, let's prepare those delicious peaches. Start by washing and thinly slicing 2 to 3 ripe white peaches. Place all the sliced peaches into a large pitcher. Next, carefully pour the entire bottle of dry white wine over the peaches. Give it a gentle stir to ensure the peaches are well coated and beginning to infuse their flavor into the wine. It's time to add the remaining liquids. Pour 1/4 cup of peach brandy or liqueur into the pitcher with the wine and peaches. Then, add 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly to ensure everything is well combined. For the best flavor, chill your sangria in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Your delicious white peach sangria is now ready to serve. Give it a gentle stir before pouring. Fill each glass with ice, then ladle in the sangria, making sure to include some of those lovely peach slices. For a little fizz, top each serving with a splash of sparkling water or club soda. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly refreshing homemade sangria.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.